Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's time for another Pokemon video here on Artland, and I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw the Gigantamax Charizard. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gigantamax Charizard, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line. It's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back. Next, I'm going to make another line. It's going to come over and up. And then I'm going to make a little dot right inside of there. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then over here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes over. I'll make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then one more, it's going to come up and down. Make a little line here and a little line there. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over. I'm going to bring it up here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring it up here. We'll bring this line down. I'm going to add a couple little points on here for some teeth. We'll curve it around here. And then I'm going to bring it up to here. And then right here we'll add some more teeth. I'll put some teeth here and then some teeth over here too. Put another one right here. Make a little line that curves up here for the tongue. Now right here I'm going to make a wiggly line coming out of here for some fire. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around and down. Another one that's going to come up. It's going to curve around. I'm going to bring it down here. Next, I'm going to make some flames right on top of each one. So just make some wiggly, pointy lines on each one. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line here. We'll bring this line up, and then I'm going to curve this one around. Then I'm going to bring this line down and in. I'll bring this line down. I'll leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to bring this line down and up to here. Now for the leg, I'm going to bring this line down, put a little bump on it, and then we're going to curve this back here. Bring this line down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up with a point, down and up, and then down and then up here. And we're going to bring it back. Then we'll add a little curved line across each toe. Now right here, I'm going to curve a line here. And then I'm going to bring this line out. And I'm going to bring it up here for the leg. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down. And we're going to come up with a point, down and up, down and then up. I'll add a little curved line on each one. Now starting here, I want to make a little curved line to start the arm. And then we'll do one here, I'll do the same thing here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up. I'm going to bring this line down to a point and up. And then this line, we're going to come out to a point and back. Bring this line here, and then we'll curve it here. Curve a line here, curve one here, and then one here for the claws. Then I'm just going to bring this line down to connect. Now on the stomach, I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, kind of bumpy line on here. Then we're going to make a couple little spots on here too. Put one more right here. Next, I'm going to make some kind of like wavy, kind of fire flames right above the shoulders. And I'm also going to put that right over here too. Now over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to come down to a point and up. Come down to a point up. Come down to a point and up. Come down and up. And then we'll bring it back here. Then we'll add some curves on here for the claws. We'll just connect that there. Next, we'll make some flames on here. And we'll just kind of bring these down. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. We just want to add these big flames on here. So I'm just going to make these big, giant flames. And these are going to serve as like the wings for our Gigantamax Charizard. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up here. Then I'm just going to make it nice and skinny, and then it's going to get bigger and bigger as it comes back up. Then I'm just going to make another really wiggly, wild, big flame on here too. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a little couple diamonds on here, kind of like a little diamond pattern on the stomach. And then I'm going to put some little kind of like square shapes over here on the knees. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gigantamax Charizard. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.